Getting crime under control in New York starts with fixing the loopholes in the state's discovery laws. In legal terms, discovery is the formal process where prosecutors and defendants in a lawsuit exchange evidence in the case in order to prepare for trial. In 2019, New York State adopted sweeping new laws for how discovery is to be handled, but there have been unintended consequences that now need to be corrected. The major problem is that the new rules are causing an alarming number of winnable cases to be dismissed because of technicalities. Bad guys are being let off for reasons that have nothing to do with the merits of the case against them. And this isn't just happening in a few cases. We're talking about thousands of cases.
Someone slashes a stranger on the subway, and the court had to dismiss the case because they said the prosecutors took too long because they were looking for a medical record from the victim that the victim had forgotten about. Unrelated to the circumstances, but that was the technicality that allowed that case to be thrown out and that individual to get out again. It's hard to believe. And it goes back to the discovery laws that were passed in 2019. Now, I understand why the reforms were necessary. Everyone deserves a fair, speedy trial. But those changes went too far, and legitimate cases are being dismissed on technicalities.
In 2023, the overall case dismissal rate for misdemeanors and felonies in New York City was 62%, compared to 42% in 2019 before reform to the state's laws. That's a 48% increase in the number of cases being dismissed. This is undermining justice, and it's undermining public safety. Each case dismissed has a victim who is not able to seek justice. Governor Hochul has proposed common-sense changes to New York's discovery laws. These amendments will protect victims and communities while safeguarding the rights of the accused. Even with the changes in place, New York will still be the state with the most open and transparent discovery laws in the nation. All 5 district attorneys in all 5 boroughs support this change. Now, we need our leaders in the New York State Senate and the New York State Assembly to stand up and adopt these amendments in the state budget this year. Tell them that now is the time for the governor's common sense amendments to the state's discovery laws.